Hey guys, so today I wanted to make a video to show you how to change the microphone in the Galaxy Note 3. Now the microphone is a part of the charging port flex cable, so we will be changing the whole charging port flex cable assembly. So to remove the back cover, what you will need to do is start in this corner here by the S pen. You can either use the S pen, or if you have a tool like this, you can just pry up a little bit right in that corner to get started, and then just kind of work your way around and the back cover comes right off. So to remove the battery, all you need to do is put your fingernail in this slot right here and just pry up just like that. Next, what you will need to do is have a little Phillips screwdriver, and you'll need to take out these 12 screws. They're all the same size and they're all the way around there. To remove this cover, what you will need to do, if you have a little pry tool like this, or you can even use the S pen if you pry carefully, just pry up a little bit right here in this corner, and then just work your way around. Going this way seems to work the best, and just put your fingers in there to help it a little bit. Now this corner right here is the hardest corner. That's why you want to come around this way, because it seems to be easier. And then yeah, if you just, I already had it pop loose, must be a little bit, but right in this corner here was the worst part. So next we will want to remove the charging port flex cable. So these connectors here, just lift up on this part very gently, pry under here, the one thing we want to do before we get too far is we want to remove this antenna wire right here, and we will want to pry under here. Make sure that's popped up. This has some pretty strong adhesive, so we'll want to just go careful. Just apply really slowly. That is if you want to reuse this. If you don't want to reuse it, you don't have to be quite as careful, but if you want to reuse it, then you have to be really slow and careful to not bend it much. So there it is. To reinstall the charging port, what you need to do is just set this right down on the holes there where it belongs, and then push down on everything. Make sure everything's seated right. Make sure this one on the side here goes in that hole there. You can just push it down just like that, and there you are. To reinstall the back cover, what you need to do is just start in the top here, I would say. Actually, one thing, just make sure that the camera lens is good and clean before you install everything. Make sure that's free of dirt, and this here as well. And just start in the top. And just make sure everything snaps into place as you come down through, and put your 12 screws back in. Next, to put in the battery, just make sure that this terminals are lined up on this side where these prongs are. Just set it in like that. Press down. Should be good to go. To put the back cover back on, all you need to do is set it on there. I'd recommend starting at the top. Just press it down as you come down through. And just make sure everything snaps in. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.